All right, here is station 2, which is about square roots. You can click on the answer key to see the answer key for the first page for the matching, but what I'd really like to go over with you is the number line piece that's here, so number 3. So this problem right here. Match each square root to the letter on the number line. So what I want to do is I want to think about the square root of 15. I want to think about where that falls. So if we sort of take a peek down here at number 4, this number line, the square root of 15 is in between the two perfect squares, and that's the square root of 16 and the square root of 9. So looking here, I know the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 16 is 4. So I want to look for one of these dots on this number line that's really close to 4. So it looks like this one is going to be B. So this right here is the square root of 15. For the square root of 2, I know that's really close to the square root of 4, which is 2, and the square root of 1, which is 1. So I'm looking for a dot that's in between 1 and 2. So this is the square root of 2, and this piece here is the square root of 95, I know is in between the square root of 100 and the square root of 81. Square root of 81 is 9, and the square root of 100 is 10. And I see here that 95 is a little bit closer to 100 than it is to 10, which is telling me that the square root of 95 can be represented by this D value right here. And by elimination, we can see that this piece here is C, but also because it's a little bit bigger than the square root of 25 and a little bit smaller than the square root of 26. So I'm looking for something that's in between 5 and 6, that's a little bit closer to 5. So here we have the square root of 27.